Last year, the HONOR X9c 5G went through absolute chaos. We dropped it, smashed it, even boiled it, and somehow it survived. Now the challenge is simple. Can the HONOR X9d 5G top it? Spoiler alert, it pretty much does. HONOR's latest X9 series phone takes everything we liked about the previous model and cranks it up. This time, it's rocking an IP69K dust and water resistance rating, which is one of the highest toughness certifications you'll find on any smartphone. That rating is so high, the company actually gave the HONOR X9d 5G a dedicated underwater camera mode. So yes, you can finally take this into the pool without stuffing it in a waterproof bag. Now, quick disclaimer before we go any further. We're putting this phone through tests that are way beyond normal use. We do it so you don't have to. Please don't try smashing or boiling your own device because your warranty won't thank you. We saw the toughness firsthand at HONOR's preview event. They didn't just drop it, they smashed it against a Tesla Cybertruck and even ran it over multiple times. The result? The frames showed some dents and scratches, sure, but they didn't have cracks on the front or back. And in our own 2-week torture test, we've been dropping it from shoulder height, knocking it around, and even cracking open chestnuts with a screen. Every single time, the HONOR X9d 5G walked away unbroken. So how is it pulling this off? It all comes down to HONOR's improved all-angle Ultra Defense design. It's a 6-layer structure inspired by the same tech used in bulletproof vests. The screen uses ultra-deep tempered glass, and underneath that is a ballistic-grade tamping layer and a shock-absorbing bracket that acts like a skeleton to protect the motherboard. The coolest part is a non-Newtonian fluid material, a layer that stays soft during normal use but instantly hardens the moment it hits the ground, absorbing way more shock than a standard panel, up to 300%, HONOR says. Add in Ultra Bounce Ready corners acting like airbags and a reinforced back shell, and you've got a phone that just refuses to break, leading HONOR to call this its toughest phone yet. And despite all that rugged engineering, the HONOR X9d 5G doesn't look like a chunky brick. It feels premium with a sleek circular camera module and even a reddish-brown faux-leather option that looks stylish and feels great in the hand. But come on, you're not buying a phone just to throw it at a wall. You need it to work. And this is where the HONOR X9d 5G really levels up over the HONOR X9c 5G. Battery life and everyday performance. Inside is an 8,300 mAh silicon carbon battery. HONOR promises 3 days of use, and in our testing, that's legit. We consistently got 2 to 3 days on a single charge, and when we first set it up, our unit was at 70%. After a full day of downloading apps, doom scrolling on X, and binging YouTube, we still have 35% left. If you hate charging, this smartphone is a dream. And when you do plug in, 66-watt fast charging gets you back quickly, roughly 1.5 hours from 0 to full. Performance has also jumped up a tier. The HONOR X9d 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 with an Adreno 810 GPU, which feels way faster than the Gen 1 chip in the last model. Even demanding titles like Where Winds Meet ran smoothly. Pair that with a 6.79-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, and gaming or streaming looks fantastic. The real kicker? It peaks at 6,000 nits! To put that in perspective, most laptops top out at 400. You could use this at high noon in a beach in Baraka and still read your text clearly. The camera setup is the same as last year. 108 megapixel main, a 5 megapixel ultra-wide, and a 16 megapixel selfie. Still decent. Daylight shots of good detail up to 3 times zoom, and low light is fine, but nothing groundbreaking. It's more than enough for social media. The fun extras are the AI tricks. AI eraser to remove photo bombers, and a new AI outpainting feature that uses data to expand the borders of your image. Useful? Sometimes. Cool to have? Definitely. So, is the HONOR X9d 5G worth it? If you're a commuter, a student, or someone constantly on the move, this smartphone is built for you. It's tough, it doesn't need babysitting, and that giant battery is a game changer. Add faster performance, a brighter display, and IP69K water resistance, and you've got a mid-range phone that feels worry-free. For us, it's an easy recommendation.